What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. First off, congratulations to the San Miguel Beermen for making it to the finals to go up against TNT. A valiant display by the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel for a conference na wherein they started 1-4, if I remember, but they still came all the way to the semifinals. But before that, gusto ko muna tingnan anong lineup sa Daily Fantasy yung 8-man na nagbigay sa number 1 spot. I'm just curious, no? Sino ba yung 8 people in this lineup na did really well. So let's check out this guy. So ito guys, merong 10 peso entry, merong rubies na entry to join Daily Fantasy. So don't need money to join this one. It's for fun. You can have it, you can do it with your friends. Si Lamput. So yung 8-man lineup niya. So si Scotty yung ginawa niyang captain. Ay hindi, captain niya si CJ Perez. So that means times 2 fantasy points. Scotty 1.5 being the vice captain and overall. This is a great no? Kasi kahilig 6
Oh yeah.
fantasy points lang.
Did he have Did he have Japet? No.
He didn't have. He had Japet. Japet had 26 fantasy points. 10, 8, 2 blocks and the 2 blocks. And that really nakakatulong sa fantasy yung points
That's
yung
26 more points than he deserves, but go ahead.
Pero ito, ibang klase to. 43.7 fantasy points for CJ Perez. I think the best he has done throughout the season, coming in a clutch game 6. We're gonna go there in a bit. 41 points, a rebound, 3 assists. The rim was too big for this man in the first half. But yeah, thank you again to Daily Fantasy for sponsoring our segment. And guys, let's now move on to the game. San Miguel winning 101-88 in a first half that was dominated by CJ Perez. The Predator just was doing everything. He was perfect at the end of the first quarter. 30 points at the end of the first. You couldn't have scripted a more perfect game for him, no? Even though na foul trouble siya nung second half, but still he's the one that started the floodgates for SMB, and something they never looked back after that one.
Bro, yeah. I just love how you use the word scripted. Yun nga iniiwasan natin.
Na-trigger. You scripted a 30-point game. That's all right, man. Iba naman yung sabi ko.
Wait lang, can I try to share screen something? Do I have share screen privileges? Wait lang.
Can you try?
Can you
I'll give you.
I need it. Send request. I asked for request.
Yeah.
All right, let me just try this. Let me know if this works.
Si Grem parang alam niya siya yung titirahin dito.
What? I'm not even trying to do anything.
Si Grem yung mukha niya para may hinihintay siya eh.
Wait, what's this?
Alive! It's alive! It's alive!
So what I'm referencing here is, according to somebody here, there was no more pulse in the there was no pulse in SMB. There was no pulse to be found.
Can I share? Can I also share? Wait lang.
According to somebody here all the way in Macau, there was no pulse. They're not gonna win another game. And what happened? 2 in a row, 2 games in a row, brother. They took the win. So it's time. I think we strip the medical license of the guy over there. We take away the lab coat. We take away the stethoscope.
The hard hat. The engineer. Yeah. The engineer
we take away the hard hat. We take away all the props because, brother, he got them all wrong.
False prophecy on point.
He put on the hard hat, and the hard hat was gone in 5 games. He put on the stethoscope, and the stethoscope was gone in 6. My guy, I'm a Ginebra fan through and through, but there's this one dude over there who's gotten nothing right this playoffs. And I'm gonna let him speak first, man. Go ahead.
Welcome. Ano pala, Grema? Hope you're enjoying Macau, by the way.
Yeah, well, yeah. My God. Well, I mean, I can't even lie, man. Wala, deserve natin yan, di ba? We made a bold prediction and we ended up. No
pun intended. You made a bold prediction, yeah.
I made a bold prediction and ended up backfiring. I thought Junmar was hurt. he looked like he's still hurt, di ba? A couple of,
Yeah, he
you
really
know,
looked like he
not
was hurt nga. He's not
yeah,
100% for
He's
lousy
sure.
not healthy. He's not healthy at all.
performances, which going into the TNT series will be big. But you know, wala eh. Talagang sobrang lakas nila at any given point, anyone will step up. In game 5, where I wasn't here, I wasn't ducking, I was in another country, it was Chris Ross. Tonight, CJ Perez started it. And then, tinapos ni Don Troliano, tinapos ni Chris Ross, tinapos ni Jericho Cruz, di ba? So, you just, it's just so hard to beat San Miguel. We talked about this. They are, the best team of this generation for a reason. And true enough, for the second straight conference, we lost them in semifinals in a shorter series this time kasi nawala sa atin si Tenorio and si Malonzo. But even if we
That's the
had
reason. That's the
them,
reason.
yeah, even if we had them, man, it was just going to be tough to stop San Miguel. Uh, they just have too much firepower na only TNT can match at this moment in time. And I know, the props should go away. Deservingly so, di ba? Because we're
Bro, if
eliminated, di
you
ba? I only invest in Ginebra. Nakita mo ba nagka-props ako sa San Miguel or sa other teams? No. So this is my last prop of the conference.
May dalang
This
prop sa Macau.
this goes here, man.
wait, what's the jersey number on there?
What's the jersey number, bro? Pakita mo
I'm
yung...
not gonna tell because it hurts, but it's 32.
Ah,
I mean,
ah,
that's the
ah.
only thing I bought in
Okay, okay.
Macau, man.
Props lang.
Okay,
Used only for
if-
props. Only for props lang. For
Yeah.
props
If
lang.
you wish,
This-
if you wish it could be a jersey number, what jersey number would it be?
I don't even have his jersey, man. I won't even touch his jersey with a 10
You have to
foot
pay
pole, brother.
Grem to buy his jersey.
I won't even touch his jersey with a 10-foot pole. This stays here, by the way. This stays in Macau. This goes to the
Huwag mo
trash
kalimutan.
community of Macau
He ain't
tomorrow.
gonna leave. Yo, that's such a lie, by the way. He's gonna pick that thing right back up after the episode ends. Don't believe it.
Tinanggal niya na actually Mario. Nandun na sa bag niya sa
Yeah,
ilalim.
it's
Pinasok
still-
niya na.
His
Ooh.
his wife is beside him, just pulling it out. As he
Tagalin mo,
continues
tagalin mo.
folding it. Ay, kunin mo, baka madumihan, baka madumihan.
You cannot expose me, man. But
Laban mo
Yeah,
na mamaya. Laban mo na mamaya.
on a more serious note, brother, if you lost the game where Junior Pardo only scored 4 points, then you really don't deserve to advance to the next round. Like, come on, 4 points. I get he still has 18 rebounds because he's facing against Japet Aguilar and getting 10 rebounds is very easy against Japet. But bro, 4 points from Junmar and you still lost the game. You really aren't a match against San Miguel. They're just the best team. They're the number 1 team. Glad we reached the semis, di ba? Glad we
Yeah.
took 2 games from them. Could have been 3 if not
Good
for
job
the
pa rin.
if not for the brain fart moment in game 5 by one of our guys. But it is what it is, man. Congratulations to San Miguel.
Yeah.
They are the best team in the PBA for a reason, and I think they're gonna go all the way. But
And
we'll
best
probably
team
talk
equipped against
Brother.
TNT. That the best team you can send to
Yeah.
TNT.
Brother, if we're being honest, man, this game should have been done in the first quarter when CJ
Oh,
Perez
CJ
scored
Perez.
30?
Did he score
30?
30?
30,
In one
man.
quarter.
30.
Clay
On 12
Thompson
of 12
moment eh.
shooting. 12
Brother,
of 12
it
shooting.
was like Kevin Love against the Portland Trailblazers
no,
in one quarter,
in
yeah.
one quarter. It was Clay Thompson in the third quarter against the Chicago Bulls. And now we have CJ Perez against the Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings in game 6, brother. 30
Iconic.
points
It's a
in the
big
first
game, 6.
quarter.
Wow.
Man, what can you do? And if we're being so honest, guys, Graham is not wrong. If you can't win the game when Junmar Fajardo has 4 points, Motao Tua has 8, Marsh Laster has 3. If you can't win that game, then don't play in the game.
Mhm.
That's all it is, man. And it 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 doesn't help that Ginebra had probably one of their worst games from some of the main guys. But talking about SMB first, you're not wrong. I think when they go up against TNT, man, it I think TNT, I would take TNT. I'm personally taking TNT. I know you're taking SMB, but I think the key here is gonna be Don Troliano throughout that entire series. Kasi brother Don Troliano has in that fourth quarter, nung 4-point
Don
lead
was he cleaned it
a
up.
6-point lead SMB.
Siya naglinis, bro. Grabe si Don
Yeah, and like
Troliano.
ang dami lang pamatay sunog eh. Ang daming pamatay sunog ng SMB which is so important, and Don Troliano is one of them. If you can score 23 points off the bench, brother, you're You're
Star.
you're a
Star.
star. Your lineup is deep. It's everything possible. So this hurts if you're a Hinebra fan. But SMB after that first quarter was running away with it no matter what.
And again, bro, Don Troliano does not or should not be coming off the bench.
Yeah,
In
not
any,
That's by design, man. That's by
bro,
design.
in any league in Southeast Asia, he should not be coming off the bench because
Yeah.
he's a really quality player. Doesn't complain, di ba? Walang attitude, plays good defense, maaasahan on offense.
Face card.
Nobody is nobody
He ignored
nobody
you, man. He ignored you,
in
Mario.
his
He just
right
continued.
mind
Ayun,
is going to outside of San Miguel is going to have Don Troliano coming off the bench. Ay, man, you just disturbed me right there.
Na-throw off siya. Woo. Parang kala mo lumindol sa Macau. Wah!
that's just how good they are. Diba? I mean, I'm surprised Marshall Lassiter is even still playing 26 minutes a game when you have Don
Kaya naman,
Troliano. Like I believe he can take Marshall's spot, pero I think yan na rin yung sorpresa nila off the bench eh. Like pag nini-start mo si Don, then wala. Actually, andyan pa si Jericho Cruz, man. They're just so good and mawi-wawi. At any time can give you solid minutes.
Stop.
There.
Stop.
I think
Kabisado,
Mario would
kabisado.
have liked Wami if you saw
Man,
him play na
kabisado ni
Ateneo. Okay
Coach
naman.
Leo. Kabisado
Brother.
ni Coach Leo.
I was hoping for more Wami women. Wami
Women.
Wami. I was hoping for more Wami minutes because brother,
1 minutes.
like when he was on the court, if I'm being honest with you, it looked like Ginebra was making their run most of the time. It's just a lot easier to read Wami as is compared to reading CJ, reading Don, reading Jericho. But for SMB, man, it wasn't even just. I think one of the main guys who helped SMB win this game was Andreas Kahilig, and I
Yeah.
hate saying that.
Hustle ni Kahilig.
Yeah, I hate saying that. I'm not the biggest fan of Kahilig also. Maybe I just have something with Terra Firma boys.
Meron ka lang,
But
ayaw mo lang ata Terra Firma. Marami kang trauma sa
Who are you
Terra Firma.
fans of?
Bakit?
Who are you
Paki-share naman
fans
ba't
of?
marami
Like,
kang trauma?
bro,
what
Mario,
player am
serious
I a
question.
fan of?
Yeah, I mean, it feels like every guy. Oh, I'm really not a fan. No disrespect, but I'm not a fan. But
I'm a fan
Graham
of
calling you
Juan
out, no?
Gomez.
Kinukall out
I'm
ka
a
ni
fan
Graham.
of Juan Gomez de Leano. I'm a fan of Jerome Lastimosa, Justin Arana. At least I don't hate on a whole ass franchise because I can't I can't get the fact out of my mind that we took Coach Tim Cohn from them. I'm just saying that. So if you genuinely ask me, man, SMB deserved to win this. Kahilig played really well in terms of like his hustle in this game. And he was under the skin of whoever he was guarding. And everybody knows that's part of the game. That's what Jericho does, that's what Kahilig does. And they just had a they were just tougher in this one, man.
Hey
Yeah,
man,
man,
ano
and-
chances na
and-
babalik si JV
what?
Malonzo after this Graham Mario? Anong
We're not-
chances? Do you think
Before
na
before I answer that,
Jamie?
Before we
forgive
answer
you now.
who's coming back, let's answer who's not coming. Let's answer who's
okay.
not
who
returning.
should not come back. But by the way, yeah, Dre Kahilig had a better face card than anyone who was defending on Ginebra
Top
probably
5 yan.
in this game. Yeah.
La Liga.
Preview of the face card episode. Keep dreaming, Mario. But man, I wanna say that for Ginebra as we transition, sabihin na naman ng mga tao, saglit nyo lang pinag-usapan yung San Miguel. Babalik kami dyan later. For Ginebra, man, they just, I mean, I believe they overachieved in this conference, di ba? Parang, okay, we start natin, Mario, 2-4? 2-3, something like
1-4. 1-4.
2-4, and then nanalo ng 8 straight, di ba? So 5 straight after in the Elims Belt to Ask Converge game 1, buzzer beater game 2, and then San Miguel game 1. So, we kind of overachieved in a way, di ba? Because we lost Jamie, we lost Coach LA, but still we reached the semifinals. But this team is not good enough to win the championship. Again, it's starting to get a little bit longer. 3 taon na. We're starting to get used to it again. Na hindi tayo
Starting to get used to it again.
I mean,
Oo nga pa ulit, Graham.
can you get at least
I know this
Sorry,
one?
to
feeling.
get used
I
to
know
it
this
again,
feeling.
man.
Ay, man, di ganito nag-start yung Kangkong era, man. The next year, we were in the finals and then it took us 8 years. So, uh, don't get used to it if you're in Ebra. I know some unfair trades are cooking because we're not good enough, and that's fine. I mean, that's fine for me, but not
That's
fine
fine.
for the PBA.
That's not
That's
fine.
fine. Oh, that's not. Oh, that's fine. That's not
And
fine.
morally speaking, that's not fine. But you know, but for me, it's gonna be fine. But bro, we're not good enough, diba? I believe we are in the transition period wherein the reins will be handed over to RJ. That's what I believed in the first, probably couple of games. Pero si Scotty pa rin, man. Like,
Brother,
siya pa rin yung
I
kumakayo
can't hand it off to to RJ
to
yet, man.
RJ yet.
Scotty wanted this. Scotty had more heart than every other member of Ginebra combined throughout this series, if you ask
Ganda ng
me.
laro nga ni Scotty
The
the whole
only person I
series.
will say, who he didn't play with more heart than this is Norbert Torres and maybe
And
Jason
Jason
David.
David. Yeah.
Yeah. Those are the two who I would say na.
Kasi Jimmy
um,
Butler.
Yeah. By the
Yeah.
way, somebody got minutes a while ago and I was shocked. I was
Ah.
on, I was
2 for
on
2
my,
pa sa free throw line.
I was on my
Well.
knees, man.
Well,
And like that's the thing, dude. I think Scotty is still the heart and soul talaga. Hindi pa niya pwede ipasa kay RJ because
not yet.
man, Scotty played probably the most aggressive basketball we've seen him play in a really long time. In that third quarter, fourth quarter run, brother, give me the ball. I'm taking a three. I'm posting up Chris Ross. Get out of my way. And I don't see that changing anytime soon, man. There are holdovers on this team who you need to have there. Scotty Thompson, RJ Barrientos probably is of course still gonna be part of that core. Norbert, I
For
think
sure.
you have to hold on to Norbert.
Yeah,
I think
you have.
Norbert Torres is 36, by the way. 36.
What?
He's 36. Norbert.
No, he's
Norbert-
not.
36. Told you. He's
What
36.
the heck?
Matanda na yan.
What the heck?
2015 draft. Because I was still in college na draft na to eh. So,
He's the
I
same
know,
age as
ako
Junmar?
rin eh.
yeah. Same
No
draft sila
way.
ata.
Same draft ata sila ni
They're in the
Scotty.
same draft. 2000.
No, I think Scotty's in the same draft with Norbert. That's what
Yeah,
I
he
Wait,
was,
know.
he
wait,
was, he was.
wait lang.
Because
Junmar
Coach Tim
from
wanted
Hardwood
Norbert
draft.
Coach Tim wanted Norbert.
Oh man.
Oh,
Norbert
2012 si
is
Junmar.
36.
2012 draft.
Oh, dang. Ang tagal
Scotty's
pa niya.
2015 si ano.
Bro, I did not
Man,
know.
okay.
Oh, damn. Now I feel old as hell.
It
'cause
doesn't
I
look
did
like
not-
it. It doesn't look like it.
Yeah, brother,
mean,
baby face.
Moto to.
Wow.
Ito yung magkakasama. Ito yung mga magkakasama. Uy.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Of course
it's
that's
correct.
the draft.
I'm
That's the
so
draft.
yeah, Norbert was number 8. Ayun. Star Hot Shots. Wow.
Star. Buhay ka na ba niyan, Mario?
Galing pala sa cursed franchise, kaya okay, got it. Yeah, need some
Bro,
time
you know,
to
I keep
take it
saying
off.
that Kevin Racal is too old to be playing. He's in the same draft as Scotty and Chris pala.
Oo nga.
I don't know what the heck.
Si
is
Mo din.
Man, one last thing because people will say we're getting sidetracked. Look at the top 10 draft picks. Ilan dyan naglaro na sa Ginebra?
That's what I was
You
gonna
have
say.
Troy
Dude.
Rosario, you have Missy,
It's a joke lang.
Scotty, Norbert, Art de
Nag-Ginebra
la
ba to?
Cruz.
Or MVP to lagi?
No,
Asa
hindi
siya
yan.
asang-asa yan na mag-Hinebra yan, Nico. My God.
Si Baser?
Yeah. And one more, si Chris Newsom, di ba, Graham?
Oh yeah, he's
Yeah,
always
Chris
been.
Newsom.
Meralco. Yeah, he never left the team.
Di ba, Graham? On the way to Hinebra
Bro,
na yun.
yeah, sabi nila. Well, by the way, I won't mind Motaw Tua to Ginebra for Japet, but I'm just
Oh,
yapping.
brother.
But
Okay, you brought up you said the name, you brought up the name, man.
yeah,
Let's go back.
I'm not gonna pretend like he had a bad game today.
today,
His game
no.
today wasn't bad. I will say that. But it's just been a letdown of a confidence talaga from Japs, brother. He's getting up there in age, we know it. Maybe I just don't think anymore eh. I don't think he's a franchise piece na talaga.
At this
That you
point.
that you can like completely rely on. It's hard, man. There was a play a while ago where he blocked Ross's floater and was gonna lead a fast break, and then he threw it like maybe 3 balls ahead of RJ. And then there was that floater which he just threw off the backboard, which I I was stunned by the way. I was absolutely stunned by. But uh it's hard for me to say na it's time to hang it up. Maybe not hang it up. I don't think it's hang it up yet.
Baka may
But I
2 years
think
pa siya. 2,
it's
3 years pa ata.
I think it's time to step back, brother. I think it's time to let get Hinebra another center, Mike Phillips, to take over Jap's role already, man. Kasi kaya niya off the bench. I think off the bench, Japet
He'll
has a
never come
role.
off the bench.
Hindi siya
I,
lalagyan ni
I
Tim Cone sa off the bench.
He'll
I would
never
hope
come
that
off
he
the
at some
bench.
point will learn to put him on the bench. But I just don't see it as he can't be he can't be one of your main pieces na talaga. I just don't see it.
Ano ulit nangyari kay Troy?
Well,
Did he get injured?
No,
in game
he was
5,
injured in game 5. Then in this
Ngayon,
game,
parang hindi na.
he just didn't look great in game 6.
Okay.
you know what, brother, yung in the losses of Ginebra, hindi nagpakita si Ralph Koeman. He was
I mean,
the
you can't
X
really expect
factor of
much
the
from,
series.
yeah,
No,
yeah,
hindi
he was
siya
the
X factor. He played well in games 1 and 4. They won. Diba? Even in game 2, he had 3 point. He had a couple 3-pointers here and there. Pero hindi mo siya ramdam eh. Nung yung sa 4 na talo, wala talaga si Ralph Koeman. I think this is long overdue, but the arrival of Isaac Go, if he's gonna arrive, may help.
I don't know where he is in his recovery.
Yeah,
I know,
me too.
I
Like
know where
nobody
he's
knows.
not.
So they're only
I know I know he's on the TV5 bench right now, brother. So
yeah, with
signal ba? Signal ba yun?
yeah,
TV5
say
ba?
yeah. But it may help, but they're lacking. Certainly they're lacking. Yung iniwan ni Jamie Malone sa position is big. So wala kulang talaga sila, man. It's not the same Ginebra team that we're used to 3 years ago na sobrang lakas. And that's fine, you know. You don't always have to be the best team. Ganyan naman yung Ginebra ang gusto ng tao. They just came up short. They came up short against the number 1 team. No shame in that, diba? They were not supposed to be here, to be honest with you.
So what happened? What happened from the Graham who said that they couldn't win, that they weren't gonna win any more games, to the
Wala
Graham
man. I
now
mean,
that says that they were losing against the top team in the league?
Chapit Aguilar is the George Gallant of centers, man.
George
Yeah.
Gallant of set. Grabe.
He's okay, you know, he's okay, but yeah, can't count on him when it matters most, I think. Wala naman.
By the way, y'all are gonna look at the plus minus and say, oh, Japs was a -2, Scotty was a -17. I don't care, man. If you watch the game, you know that just wasn't.
Yeah, yun nga man. Like at some point it was 83-79. Norbert Torres was hitting shots. And then someone came in, man. It's like a black cat roaming around Araneta Coliseum, man. Everything turned dark. You will feel the aura, and then you were down 10, 89-79. Wala na. At that point, wala na talaga, man. I mean, it's not just on one guy for sure. And you're right, he did not even play bad in this game. I just wasn't here to you know to be honest about him in game number 5. But we were just not enough. But still, man, we reached the semis. Coach Tim is still a good coach. We're probably a piece away. I don't know where we're gonna get that piece. I don't know if that's gonna be Abyss or Steel, or we're gonna work our way through that trade.
I know.
Come on.
Coming
I
so
know
low.
it's not.
I don't.
I know who
Help
it's
me
not
out here,
gonna
man.
be. I know who it's not gonna be, Graham. I'm just saying that. One more thing before we like wrap it up, and I guess
Yeah.
we'll talk a little bit about SMB TNT just for a while.
I
What
think
do
we
you
can
guys
do a
feel
separate
about-
episode for that one. We'll do a finals preview.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you know what I mean, like just a short little whatever.
Okay, yeah. Outro.
Yeah, like, what do you guys feel about Stephen Holt, brother?
Oh, he's passive. 4 shots? I expected
Yeah.
more. In a game 6? In a do or die game 6? He could have helped out. I wish he had more shots than Japet Aguilar. I wish he had more shots than, or at least close to the shots that RJ had, no? with Stephen
Could
Holt,
have
but
helped out
could have helped out even more.
could have helped out is the understatement of the
Yeah,
century.
that's an understatement, but you know what I mean.
Because man, I don't know what is in his mind right now, man. He was supposed to be one of the guys alongside RJ and Scotty to bring it all in, you know what I mean? And
Kaya nga kinuha eh.
it just hasn't been it, man. It just hasn't been it. I don't
Yeah,
know. I
man,
doubt they
after
move
the
on from
ano,
him, though. Go ahead.
sorry Mario, after the game winner, dapat high nga yung moral mo eh, di ba? Na,
Yun nga eh.
I'm gonna take every shot that I want to take. Kasi just brought this team to the semis. Pero the opposite thing happened to Stephen Holt. Our saviors in the quarterfinals, Stephen Holt and Maya Gray, man, disappointing in the semis. Really, really disappointing. Maya's really lost his confidence. This guy used to dunk.
Well, it's the
Diba? In
injuries. Ang
transition,
daming injuries. So,
Injuries,
it's
man.
dami
I
ng
know.
injuries eh.
I can't.
Oo, hindi
Yeah.
mo rin talaga ma-expect na eh.
I know,
I can't
pero
even
man, but I mean, he's not even driving to the basket. He became a spot-up shooter, and to be honest, he's not doing a very good job at that. Although he two in this game, diba? Pero you know, we're probably here's the thing. Before we move to a little bit of finals preview, if si Scotty pa rin yung main man, what type of guy are you getting? Kasi if hindi si Scotty, then it's RJ, di ba? Mag-iiba kasi yung kailangan mong kunin eh. Depende sa who's gonna take you home.
Brother, all I
And
know is the
that's a
draft,
question.
the incoming draft is gonna be well, to be fair, we still have another conference in March.
Two more, so you're gonna let two conferences go? I mean, Justin Brownlee is arriving, so you probably
That fixes a lot, if I'm being honest with you.
Fixes a
That
lot.
fixes a lot
Yeah.
for Ginebra.
Yeah.
That fixes a lot, brother.
Wala pang
And,
RHJ.
and hopefully Isaac is healthy.
Isaac. Perfect
at some
excuse,
point.
by the way, to recover the jersey. Brownlee,
yeah,
this is a Brownlee jersey.
yeah. We already knew, brother. We already knew. But hopefully Isaac's healthy, man. But again, no matter the conference, kasi SMB will be SMB. like put any import on SMB except for EJ Anosike, and they'll win something somewhere, man.
You're right. Yeah. So, yun yung Ginebra take natin. I know it took us longer to talk about Ginebra because eliminated na sila. Diba? Hindi na namin sila dapat pag-usapan in the next episodes unless we're referencing the semifinals. But going back, one last thing about SMB, man. It's just a team that they just know how to win. They know how to close games. Yes, nag-choke sila at some point, di ba? In game 5, they almost choked the 17-point
Hey, they still
lead.
get it done. You get it done when it matters most.
Yeah, that's
Lose
right.
by
That
1,
just-
lose by 10, lose by 15.
It doesn't
brother.
matter.
Win the series.
Smart
It
the
doesn't
same
matter.
way.
It doesn't matter. I mean, to coach them, it matters, especially if it's against Converge. But in the semis,
I wonder
ain't.
what he was feeling kanina nung tinitira ni RJ yung mga 3 and 4 niya dun sa dulo. He was like, when RJ was just shooting at the end to try and lower the margin.
Wala
Kasi ano vibes ni Coach Tim? He was
Ah.
like, hey man, I don't know if I'm supposed to get mad at you or not, but
Pero sige.
He was like, keep shooting, I guess. It was weird.
It's our old man just being old. But bro, Trollano showed up in this series. Pinatay niya tayo in games 2 and 6. That's okay. I'm worried about Junmar though. I'm really worried
Yeah.
about Junmar because you just saw Japet, and at this point Japet is not the center Kelly Williams is. Japet is not the center BGR is. So it's gonna be a different beast.
Oera.
It's BGR, Poy, Galinato, Kelly. They have so much bodies to throw at
My
Junmar.
point, my thing here for TNT is they have the bodies to throw at Junmar. Yun
Yeah.
for me. It's
And healthy si
Ginebra
heading
kasi- Ha?
Healthy heading.
The thing is kasi for me, excuse me.
Oh,
Against Ginebra, the Ginebra doesn't have the bodies to keep up with SMB. Like, ma-foul out si Japet, ma-foul trouble si Norbert, you're left to Draymond Aguilar, brother. And we love Mr. Irrelevant, but you know
Mr.
naman,
Mr.
Never heard.
Mr. Never
Mr.
Heard.
Sorry. She's Mr. Irrelevant. Si ano pala yun?
Walang
Oh, si Brock Purdy yun.
Brock Purdy yun, Brock Purdy.
si Brock
Man, I have a
Purdy.
question. I have a question about that. So, SMB, suki nila yung TNT, right?
Yeah.
Am I right with that?
I mean, that's the argument we make. That's the argument people make.
Yeah. That's the argument we make. They haven't beaten SMB in the finals. In the finals since 2011. I know defeated them in the semis in the bubble. But in the finals, no. How do we keep on picking TNT when the argument pag TNT Hinebra is, Hinebra is never beating TNT. Suki yan ng TNT. We always pick TNT. I mean, you guys always pick TNT. But if it's like SMB TNT, we keep on picking TNT. We keep on losing, man.
Did you pick SMB?
I did.
Yeah.
Why are you picking TNT again, bro?
I'm picking
Because-
TNT. Because
Brother, the smart money is going against your picks.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well,
Oh,
Luis Pablo's
oh.
laughing at you, man. LP9.
A broken clock is right twice a day, brother. That's what I'm saying. That's all I'm gonna say about that, man. That's all I'm gonna say about it.
Man, I mean, I'm just asking. I'm really serious, brother. Why is the TNT lore or aura against SMB always that high when they keep on losing? Pero yung Ginebra, pag Ginebra TNT, so okay ng TNT yan. You guys know the way.
Bro, I don't know.
I just want to connect the dots.
I can't explain it to you, man. It's just
He's
like
been dominant
it
recently.
just makes
Kaya
sense in
siguro.
your brain. Like it just makes
It makes
think-
sense for us.
I think yung nangyayari is that people love to root for the underdog, right? And because TNT is always considered lower than SMB, somewhat people think they're the underdog. So they go, yeah, kaya ng TNT talunin yung SMB juggernaut na yun. But when it's TNT Hinebra, it just the gap is just so far sometimes that you just can't even root for the underdog at that point. Alam mo yun? Like the gap is just massive, man. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, man. Like, I even when we do TNT Hinebra episodes, brother, we still pick Hinebra, except Nico. Nico picks TNT because he has brain. It's just how it is, man. What do you want us to say?
I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm picking SMB, by the way. I'm just basing it off of history. Like, is the gap between SMB and TNT, between Hinebra and TNT that big?
Yes. Yes,
Really?
brother. Yes.
Yeah, you're right.
Let's go per position right now.
No.
Let's go.
No, I'm gonna get cooked. But you're right.
Yes.
You're
My
right.
God. My
You're
God,
right.
it's not close, brother.
You're right. Yeah, but in this finals, man, it's gonna be interesting. I mean, I think the next All Filipino, proceed na tayo sa semis. Parang play-in na lang yung fourth spot, Ginebra, TNT, SMB. Tapos play-in na lang yung 9 teams. Na, sinong gusto nyo pumasok? Rosba, Meralco?
Weren't we the
Magnolia.
fourth seed?
I know, pero we're always in the semis. Di ba? Parang SMB, TNT, Ginebra. That's the semis, plus one team.
It's either Ross or Converge or
Meralco, di ba?
yeah. I like
Yeah,
how we
it's
don't mention NLEX anymore because he doesn't work there anymore. So
There's one team that always starts 4-0 that we're not mentioning.
Ross na lang.
Here we go again, brother. Here we go again.
At least now na sila magbakasyon sa atin. Diba? That's my glory for this conference. But the two best teams, I can argue Converge was the third best team in the conference. They got unlucky. But
They got Jeremiah. Can you imagine saying they got Jeremiah grade?
and Stephen Holton.
And Stephen
And
Holden.
then those two put up a stinker or put up stinkers in the semis. But bro, the two best teams in this conference all throughout made it. Parang UAAP lang, man. Dami pang nangyari. But it's just UP and LaSalle. Here, it's just SMB and TNT. I know people are gonna say it's boring, but people did not complain when it's the Lakers and the Celtics in the 80s. Yeah. So, it's just how basketball goes.
Okay, man.
But yeah,
Am I
guys,
right? Am I wrong?
No,
Which
no,
one?
no. I don't hate it.
No,
Ano naman,
people
it
should
makes
not
sense.
complain.
I don't hate it. I don't hate what you're saying.
Okay.
I
Ano
just
naman.
say-
Kung hate naman ni Mario, makakarinig ka naman, Grem eh.
Yeah, brother, you know when I don't like what you're saying naman.
Well,
It's like, yeah, I know.
oh, we're not doing the preview yet. All right.
No, that has to be a separate episode. And that's the Canva na hindi pa rin tayo sponsor. Anyway, thank you so much for listening, guys.
when SMB, Nico, sorry to your outro. When SMB is one win away from the championship, I have my massive prop. I know I swore na wala na akong prop.
This
There's a
ain't an
massive
excuse to drink, brother.
No, it's not a
This
beer.
ain't an
It
excuse
is not a
to-
beer. It is not a beer, man. It is not a beer. I have a massive prop ready. So yeah, got it. Yeah.
All right.
SMB fans, I'm on your side now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, mga TNT mananalo. He put his blessing on SMB.
man. Hey, dude, to be fair, he predicted UPDLSU.
Actually, he did
I predicted
predict
SMB
UPDLSU.
TNT, right? I
You did not. You
predicted.
said
You
Melanco
did not. You
Ginebra.
said Ginebra.
No, I mean SMB TNT last conference. I said SMB in 6. That was right.
Last
I
con.
I was-
Okay.
I was right. OKC versus the Pacers, man.
Zoom. No.
That was
To
OKC.
be fair, bro.
You were
It's hard to
freaking
be wrong.
OKC in 4.
It's hard.
5 in 5.
In five, he said five.
Mali ka pa rin.
He did, but he did pick OKC. He did.
He did make OKC.
He did pick OKC.
Yeah, the sky is blue.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Hey, man. He gets the outright picks correct. The number just depends on the number. It's just the number where he gets it wrong, dude.
Yeah, alam mo yun sa Lotto, yung tama rin ako. Just don't know when it is. Man.
I mean, tama yung numbers mo sa Lotto, kaso iba yung order.
Iba yung order.
Or ibang date. Yung bukas na tayan mo.
Bukas yun.
Yeah, that's how it goes. So take everything that I say with a grain of salt. Or
Always.
yeah. All right. I'm done.
All right, I'll say this outro. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the podcast. Follow 5-star rating, Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Join our Facebook group, 6-Man Podcast, Benchmark. See you all next time. Peace.
Adios, amigos. Congrats, SMB.